our interview process really skews towards um, helping you understand as much as possible, like who you'll be working with. And so basically that means you meeting with as many people as possible. So typically there'll be a recruitment call, which I think that's pretty common, and then there'll be an interview with the hiring manager. So this is the person who is looking to fill the role. That would likely be your manager as well, but that's not a guarantee. And before the end of the process, you would know whether or not that will be your manager when you come on board. After that interview, and that interview is all around like what is your process, how do you collaborate, you know what kind of things have you been learning, like how do you take feedback, things like that. And then the next stage is a case study. So this is basically where you present. Typically, we get people to present one project in quite a bit of detail, like starting from, okay, what is the business problem here? What is the user problem? How did that get defined? How did you execute on the solution? Who did you work with? What lessons did you learn? What would you do differently? And yeah, so that's a 1 hour session, but we typically ask folks to present for 30 minutes, and then we have 30 minutes of discussion. Then the next stage is actually meeting with your triad. So this would be with an engineering manager and a product manager, and that's all around how you collaborate with other disciplines. And then the final stage is a culture interview with one of either the executive from the art department or from the people department, and that's more just like a how will you contribute to Clio's culture?